Is Commonwealth Bank the king or queen of Australian banks? Ever walk past a sea of red and yellow signs and wonder, is Commonwealth Bank, Commbank, really the best bank for me? Maybe you're a recent immigrant, a savvy young professional, or someone just looking for a better deal. Australia boasts a diverse banking landscape, so choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Fear not, finance friends. Today, we're diving deep into Commbank's ranking amongst its competitors. We'll explore factors like fees, features, customer service, and financial muscle to see if it truly reigns supreme. But before we get down to business, let's rewind a bit. Commbank, a banking behemoth. Commbank is undeniably a giant in the Australian financial sector. Established in 1911, it holds the title of the nation's largest bank by market capitalization. They boast a massive customer base, a vast network of branches, and a reputation for stability. However, size doesn't always guarantee the best service or deals. Here's where things get interesting. The ranking rumble, fees under the microscope. Let's face it, fees are a major pain point. Account fees, transaction fees, international transfer fees, the list goes on. So, how does Commbank stack up? Well, it depends on the account you choose. Commbank offers a range of transaction accounts, some with monthly fees and others with fee waivers if you meet certain criteria, like maintaining a minimum balance. Compared to some challenger banks and credit unions, their base fees might seem a tad steeper. Here's the good news. Commbank offers a variety of features that can offset these fees, like built-in budgeting tools, rewards programs for frequent debit card users, and discounts on other financial products like insurance. Feature face-off, does Commbank deliver? When it comes to features, Commbank is a strong contender. They offer a user-friendly mobile app, online banking with a plethora of functionalities, and a decent selection of financial products including savings accounts, investment options, and home loans. One area where Commbank shines is its international reach. They have partnerships with banks worldwide, making it easier and potentially cheaper to transfer money overseas. This can be a huge advantage for frequent travelers or those with family abroad. However, some challenger banks are starting to catch up, offering innovative features like fee-free international transactions and real-time spending notifications. While Commbank offers solid features, they might not be the absolute cutting edge. Customer service, friend or foe? Customer service is a crucial factor when choosing a bank. Nobody wants to be stuck on hold for hours or feel like they're just a number. So, how does Commbank fare in this department? Reviews are mixed. While some customers praise Commbank's extensive branch network and helpful staff, others have reported long wait times and frustrating experiences dealing with customer service representatives over the phone or online. It's important to note that customer service experiences can vary depending on location and the specific issue you're facing. Financial fortress, is Commbank secure? Security is paramount when it comes to your hard-earned cash. Commbank is a well-established institution with robust security measures in place. They're regulated by the Australian Prudential Regulation Authority, APRA, which ensures they meet strict financial stability requirements. Here's another plus. Commbank offers various fraud protection features like real-time transaction monitoring and the option to freeze your debit card if you suspect suspicious activity. This can give you peace of mind knowing your money is safe. The verdict, is Commbank the king or queen? So, where does Commbank stand in the grand scheme of Australian banks? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. Commbank offers stability, a broad range of features, and a strong international presence. However, fees can be a concern, and the customer service experience might not always be stellar. Here's the takeaway. If you prioritize a large, established bank with all the bells and whistles, Commbank could be a great fit. But, if you're a fee-averse customer who values cutting-edge features and top-notch service, you might want to explore challenger banks or credit unions before making a final decision. Remember, the best bank for you is the one that aligns with your specific needs and financial goals. Do your research, compare different options, and don't be afraid to ask questions. With a little effort, you'll find the financial institution that fits you like a glove. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.